Hello, I'm Noam Winter, the Faculty of Pain Medicine Scientific Convenor for Melbourne 2021. Melbourne has traditionally been known as the hospitality and cultural capital of Australia. We just like to make people feel welcome. So in 2021, we'd like to introduce you to a new way of running a pain conference. Whether you come to Melbourne, because let's face it, we're open and we're mask free, or whether you want to go to your closest regional centre and attend via one of the engaged hubs.
Alternatively, you can do it from the very comfort of your own home, because we all know how easy that's been this year.
We've got two great invited international speakers, Professor Eva Kosek from the Karolinska Institute in Sweden and Professor Matthew Smuck from Stanford University in California, both eminent clinician researchers. We all try to treat our patients holistically so we can all learn from other specialties about how we can best develop the mysterious art form that is pain medicine. We're going to cover some of the topics that have affected pain clinicians over the last few years, from changes in opioids to the ins and outs of back pain from a global perspective. There's going to be something for everyone from all walks of life. We look forward to welcoming you in some form to Melbourne in 2021. Keep an eye out for updates.